Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 4.5 question number 1. Draw the following. The square READ with RE 5.1 centimeter. Since this is square, all the sides are equal. That means this is also 5.1 centimeter. You have drawn a rough sketch of this square. This is also 1.5 say 5.1 centimeter. And we know that in a square all the angles are 90 degree. Therefore this is 90 degree. And this is also 90 degree. For that, let us take a ruler. Let us take a ruler and let us take a line that is 5.1 centimeter. Let us take 5.1 centimeter. See, this is exactly 5.1 centimeter. Now, the name of this line is RE. This is R. This is E. At the point R, make an angle of 90 degree with the help of protractor. Let us take the protractor here and protect it, and the protractor, place the protractor at right proper place and make an angle of 90 degree. This is 90 degree, right? And at point E also make an angle of 90 degree. At point E, place the protractor in the right place, proper place, and make here a point that will help to make 90 degree at point E. Now with the help of the ruler, draw this line. With the help of this ruler, draw the line to make 90 degree at point R and at point E also. Right? Now draw this 90 degree. This is 90 degree at point R. Also draw 90 degree at point E. Now draw 90 degree at point E also. And since in a square all the sides are equal, this is R is 5.1 centimeter, 5.1. This is 5.1 centimeter. Right? With the help of this ruler, take an arc of 5.1 centimeter with the help of compass. Let us take a compass again and put this pointer at point 0 and take an arc of 5.1 centimeter. Let us take an arc of 5.1 centimeter. This is 5.1 centimeter. You see, this is exactly 5.1 centimeter. With this protractor, with this pointer at point R, make an arc of 5.1 centimeter at this line. Take this pointer here and make an arc of 5.1 centimeter. Right? Also take this pointer at point E and make an arc of 5.1 centimeter again. Right? Now with the help of this ruler, join the line. We got the point D and A. This point is D. This point is D. This point is A. Right? Now join this DA with the help of the ruler. Now join this line. You see, this is our required square. This is dA is 5.1 centimeter. This is 5.1 centimeter. This AE is also 5.1 centimeter. And DA is also 5.1 centimeter. And all the angles are 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Since this is a square, this angle is also 90 degree. This angle is also 90 degree. And this angle is also 90 degree. I repeat once again. First of all, draw RE 5.1 centimeter at point R, make an angle of 90 degree. At point E, make an angle of 90 degree with the help of protractor. And from R point, make an arc of 5.1 centimeter. And from point E, make an arc of 5.1 centimeter. You will get the point D and A, join DA. That means it is a square, or the sides are equal, and all the angles are, each angle is also 90 degree. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.